Hello, guys. So, what is funny? I'll tell you what is funny. The guys who were swearing to God over here that we were dumping, the guys who were swearing to God over here that we were going to crash down because this was head and shoulder, and the guys who are now saying that we are going to go up. Who are these guys? These are the guys who are running many YouTube channels like Money Time Machine, FX Evolution, and so many others. I know guys who turned bearish right over here. I know guys who were swearing to God, Money Time Machine, that this was the head and shoulder, and now we are going to plummet. Is the same guy who is now saying that we are going to do this. So what is going on, guys? So in this video, I'll tell you what you guys need to do to become successful over the period of time. Now, I was talking to one guy on WhatsApp, and he was, talking a lot of, you know, different news with me. And you guys know me. I never mention or talk about news in my videos because I know news trading does not work. I'm not a news trader, and I don't think that the stock market was supposed to plummet because of the Jackson Hole. Remember somewhere over here, but I bought Jackson Hole. Similarly, it was going to do something like this. It was going to go down because of head and shoulder, but I bought this. My videos are over here. I shorted over here when it was supposed to go up. So watch my 10 days of videos which I did in my channel and you will know. So the point is that that guy was discussing and debating with me about different news. That see if CP is going to come out this, then stock market is going to do this, and if the CP is going to do that, stock market is going to do that. So you know me, I'm a little bit of a no nonsense guy. So I first tried to ignore him. But then he kept pestering me about CP, PC, I don't know what news. So I asked about him, what is your profession? So he told me that he is an electrician. Now, nothing wrong with being an electrician or carpenter, but I think I'm one of the most I'm one of the more intelligent guys out there on YouTube, and and I'm also quite a bit qualified. So when I talked to him and when he told me that he is an electrician, I immediately got to know that what's the problem with him, because he is incapable and unable to understand the complexities of market. So he has been brainwashed, or he has been told, or he has understood the market in such a way that he thinks market goes up and down because of news. That the market went up because of this thing or went down because of this thing, and it will tomorrow market, when it will plummet because if NFP will come out, if non-farm payroll will come out, I don't know, up or down. If it come out like A, then market will go up. Otherwise, if it come out like B, it will go down. So this is the school of thought that these guys follow: electricians, carpenters, and these people who are clueless. And these are the guys who suffer. And these are the same guys who think they're very smart. These are the same guys who think they just say, okay, just give us a signal and we will manage. So they are not going to manage anything. Even if I'm gonna tell you that tomorrow, which I know for sure that tomorrow or in coming days we are going to do this no doubt. Despite knowing this thing, they will remain electrician throughout their lives. There's nothing wrong with being an electrician. I'm just telling you about the mindset. You cannot You cannot cure this mindset. You cannot cure the mindset of what the money time machine guys have inculcated in most of the people. Most of the people are supposed to remain electricians and carpenters, and they will remain that. Nothing wrong with it, but you cannot then come here on my YouTube. I know my YouTube is not one of the more successful ones, but my YouTube channel is different, and my trading style is also very different. And I'm employing two models, trading algorithms. One is swing models, and the other one is intraday model. Intraday model. So right now my swing model is saying this, and in my group for the last 2 days, I'm not even discussing intraday trades because I don't want people to get caught. I want people to catch this in my group. So fine, you guys are not in my group, but even if I tell you this thing, you guys are not going to make any money out of it. I can bet you on this because electricians are supposed to remain electricians. They will never learn anything. They just want signals, and they will be stuck in the news trading. If CP if PC or CP is going to do this, then we are going to do that. If PC is going to do this, we are going to do that. If Jackson Hole was supposed to crash the market, right? But what happened? We are up. CP or PC was supposed to do XYZ, but where are we? We are still up. Tomorrow NFP is supposed to do this, but where will we go? We'll go here. It is about time. Just go and watch Money Time Machine videos. Come on, guys. Just watch his videos for the last for when the market was over here. When the market was over here, just watch his videos over here. He was calling for catastrophic crash, only to see this thing up. Then he simply blamed the news, and now he is bullish. He is saying this, but we will do this. So you guys are stuck in the vicious cycle, and the only thing you can do to get out of this vicious cycle is to stop listening to carpenter and electrician mentality guys and listen to someone like me. Okay, my English is not so good. I don't have American accent, but I think I'm one of the better and more intelligent guys out there. And I'm not trading news. And you will always have a unique method of trading style with me. And with my two models, the swing model and the intraday model, I am going to help and teach my group and inculcate those teachings which will help them forever for throughout their lives, whether I'm alive or not. The teachings that the learnings which the people who are in my group, which they will get from me, you cannot replace it. You cannot compare those teaching with the learnings from of a electrician or carpenter. So my only so you guys have only two options in your life now. Whether to follow channels like FX Evolution, total garbage channel, FX Evolution, Money Time Machine, and there are so many other channels also. Total nonsense, talking about news, this and that, support resistance, full garbage. So either you have option to follow FX Evolution or Money Time Machine mentality or other guys, or you have the option to follow me. And I can bet you my option is much more easier because first of all, you guys won't be stuck in always chasing the news, always running after the news. You guys will always have one understanding and one direction to go at. So which one is better, guys? You want to learn, you want to become chaser of news, or you want to get an education or get an understanding which you can pass on to your kids and grandkids and which will get you, you know, financial freedom, which will be forever to last. Even you can pass on this knowledge to your generation. It's up to you. There are only two options, in my opinion. When I was talking to that electrician guy, I was, basically in my mind thanking to God that thankfully when I started trading, even though I lost money in the first couple of years, I slowly and gradually ended up in talking and, being in company of those guys who made me what I am today. I'm not a news chaser. I know what the market will do regardless. So this is the thing which I wanted to say. Do this and you will always be successful. Otherwise, if you are just for the if you are just looking for signals, then you are not going to do anything in your life. You will remain an electrician. And I'm not being arrogant. I'm telling you the truth. Trading is the most difficult way of living the easy life. Most difficult way of living the easy life. But in order to get this easy life, you need to do the difficult things. You cannot become a successful trader by being a news chaser. You need to understand what this guy is saying. Now I'll tell you what my thought process is. Now, if you have been following my videos and those who are in my group, they know I always look for three waves. I don't look for five waves. So these are the three waves. One, two, and this running flat. So this was a one, this was a two, and this one, and running flat two, and this three. So this is one, two, three, one, two, three, or ABC, whatever. So each of these waves is also divided into three, right? This is what I'm trying to say. ABC, and now this will be also ABC, so which will followed by also ABC, not so deep. ABC, 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 ABC. This should come. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So 3, 3, 5. Something like this, and then up. Now this is a technical analysis which I have done, which I don't normally do on YouTube. But I'm just telling you, this is my understanding. So we are overall bullish, and I think we will go down till 14th of September, and after 14th September we'll go up. We will see, but till 14th of September we are down. And no amount of electricianry or carpentry is going to change it. So if you agree with my opinion and if you think my video of today is useful, then give me a like and subscribe. And you guys can also join my group. These are the details. The link is in the comment section. You guys can do it. So what I do, I have to go to two models, the swing model and the intraday model. So for intraday, for the day trading, I'm using intraday model in my group to trade it. So like I told you that in the coming days, we will do something like this. But even after this information, I can bet you the electricians and carpenters will remain electricians and carpenters when the price will be up. In fact, they will be worse off. They will be worse off. Why? Because they are electricians and carpenters for a reason, right? Something is wrong with their content, with their content, or with their being from the inside. So nothing wrong with being carpenter or electrician, but I'm just telling you that when they will not do anything. In fact, when the price will be here, they will be worse off, because somewhere down in the middle, because they are incapable of, they don't have any knowledge, they don't have any training, so they will be end up longing it because of some news, and they will be worse off. So their $5,000 account will be 1,000 account, and the price will be here. Despite watching my videos of today, right over here. Why? Because they are electrician and carpenters. So if you don't want to end up like them, then join the revolution and understand what I'm trying to teach over here. I will take your leave now.